When you're on the go or in an emergency, you need products that are going to work with you and make your life more convenient. We met up with Geiger Rig and learned about the most convenient piece of gear the on-the-go person can possibly have, the Geiger Rig Hydration Pack, the world's first truly effective hydration system, providing much more than just personal hydration. With the Geiger Rig Hydration Pack, you can clean, cool, and share the water you have with you. The key to the Geiger Rig Hydration Pack is its patent-pending pressurized system that allows the water to effortlessly spray with nothing more than a bite or a pinch.
At the 2011 Winter Outdoor Retailer Show, 3M Corporation gave Geiger Rig their Innovation Award for the best new hard goods product at the show. After the show, Backpacker Magazine, Camper's Life Magazine, and Adventure World Magazine all gave Geiger Rig rave reviews. But probably most important and most exciting for us was Branch Whitney, an expert hiker, climber, author, came out, used our Rig 1600 Geiger Rig Hydration Pack, and declared it the best hydration pack he has ever worn. The spraying technology of Geiger Rig provides some significant benefits, from spraying to drink, spraying to cool your body off, sharing with a friend, and also being able to clean off a wound and do things like that. All of these are benefits. Additionally, the Geiger Rig Hydration Pack can be turned inside out and placed in the top shelf of your dishwasher to be cleaned. Our packs have a 2-year warranty for manufacturer defects, and our bladders have a lifetime warranty for leakage.
Because the water in a Geiger Rig is so convenient to access, 30% more is used to drink, while 50% more is used overall when compared to a normal hydration pack. And when you run low, you can simply fill up directly from any body of water and let the Geiger Rig inline water filter go to work.
The Geiger Rig hydration system, you end up drinking more water than you do with a traditional hydration pack. And the reason for this is because the system just shoots water into your mouth, which means that you don't have to slow down to get your heart rate down or your breathing rate down in order to hydrate. You just bite that or pinch that and it sprays the water right into your mouth. And as a result, people find that they consume more water with one of these systems than they do with a traditional system that requires them to suck. With the traditional hydration bladders that required the user to suck, it wasn't advised to fill up in a stream, a river, a lake, or a pond. And the reason for that is because they become petri dishes for bacteria and growth. But with the Geiger Rig hydration system that's constantly expelling, it is constantly flushing the system. You snap in the filter, it cleans the water as it comes to your mouth. You end up with a much cleaner, better, more sanitary system.
When you're on the go, don't let old technology slow you down. Be prepared with the Geiger Rig Hydration Pack, the world's greatest in on-the-go hydration technology.